welcome back to my channel. Chelsea's So Random. And y'all, do y'all see what's in front of me? These are homemade sushi rolls. These are like California rolls. Okay, so what we have here is some rice paper with avocado, cucumbers, crab imitation meat, and some wasabi right here, and some soy sauce right here. And we have my raved about sushi ginger right here. Let's get to eating, y'all, because I was like, let me do a mukbang for one time. Like, I miss doing mukbangs. So I'm thinking about doing a monthly mukbang. Not every week, not every day, but monthly. Let me know what y'all think. So this is a soda that I have. It's the Olipop. It's the Olipop Vintage Cola, my favorite. We got a straw for the aesthetics. Have a little sip. Okay, so we're gonna have a little talk. So, if you can't tell where I'm in my kitchen right now. There's no cool backdrop. There's none of that because it's not a mukbang channel. This is my vlogging, lifestyle, and family channel, but I had to bring it back for the one time because I miss eating. I miss doing a mukbang, so let's get right into it. Okay, let me tell you what I was eating off screen because I had to, this is something that could sit here. This is something that could sit here without getting cold. I wouldn't care if it's cold or room temperature. But this right here, y'all, we have already eaten string beans. So go ahead and eat that. This is a very low calorie meal. Okay. That's cleared. We got paper towels right here. Hopefully this is a clean and quick mukbang. I don't want no messes. But yeah, so hopefully it's not blurry, y'all. Hopefully I can see. I don't know if my focus on my camera is right, but I'll get y'all some close-ups. So let's take some ginger. Let's take some ginger and then let's add it to our plate. Add it to our plate like that. Now this wasabi we get from the international aisle at Walmart, Kroger, Publix, and Grand Mart is another place that's over here in our area. It's an international grocery store. So I'm gonna get, no, I'm gonna need more than that. Yeah, I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. I'm gonna need more ginger than that because when I tell you ginger heals all, y'all, it's a lot of ginger, right? When I tell y'all ginger heals all, it heals all. Okay, let's get eating. So what I do is I dip, platao, get that soy sauce. Get that soy sauce all up on there. And then I dip my ginger. Look for small pieces, y'all. Dip my ginger into the soy sauce on top. Then I scoop my wasabi, gentle on wasabi, because this is real. This ain't no American wasabi. This is
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
no. This is an international wasabi. Yo, I ain't pray. Hold on. Dear God, thank you for this food I to receive in Jesus' name. Amen. And then lost it. So, today's topic, before we even get there, y'all, I'm a little rusty with this mukbang stuff. Before we even get there, these type of, I call it okay, half of it is a rice paper California roll. The other half is a rice paper Philly roll. So some has cream cheese in it, y'all. So sorry I didn't say that. I meant to, but let's get you a close-up on that. That's what the cream cheese is in the middle. Can y'all see? Cream cheese. Yeah. So, bomb, y'all. Bomb. And sometimes I might put the wasabi before the ginger, but whatever. So today's conversation is going to be about today's job market. Mm. 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 Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Can I eat first? Let's eat first, okay? Because your girl hungry. Current time is 6:38. You're like, girl, 6:38? Yes. 6:38. 6:38. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. My husband made these, by the way, y'all. My husband. Mm. It's hands down one of my favorite meals for him to fix for me. Y'all. Y'all. Mm-mm. Okay, it's a lot. It's a lot of wasabi. I'm tripping. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. The cream cheese makes it taste like it's bacon on here, but it's not. It's not, y'all. Looking at my memory card. Wow. Okay, 58 minutes. Okay. Got about an hour. Shouldn't take me an hour to do this video, y'all. Cause y'all, I be eating like it ain't nothing. Okay. Ooh, ooh. I'm a little dangerous now with wasabi. Okay. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Why you so good? Yo, why? Y'all see everything? Hold on, y'all. There we go. It's so freaking good. I'll get better at doing these mukbangs again. But y'all, it's gonna be once a month. Once a month. If you see me picking and choosing, I'm looking for them small pieces. There we go. Something like that. Oh, this food is so freaking good. So freaking good. Mm-mm. Mm. I gotta start pulling it, ripping the ginger piece now. Cause there's some big pieces of ginger, and I hate to waste them on a small one. So I gotta pull and pull and pull and pull, y'all. I'm really hopeful to bring these mukbangs back monthly because that's something that's achievable and healthy, y'all. Cause mukbanging is dangerous. I keep telling y'all that it's dangerous because it's so fun to make. Mm. It's so fun to make, but it's all in you choosing the correct foods to eat and eating at a good time. Like filming at 4 in the morning, eating a KFC mukbang. Like I'm talking, not like one meal. I'm talking about, you know, mukbang, overeating mukbang types. So oh, we can't do that, y'all. That whole song. My fault. Cheese or no cheese? Cheese. Okay. Okay. Have a bite. Y'all. Okay, so today's topic, the job market. It is quite literally so hard to find a job. You might as well say job seeking is your job. Like, that's your career, job seeking. My husband, which you have seen him on this channel. My husband is currently looking to move up in the corporate ladder of his job sector, and he has been looking for a job for the past year. He is currently employed, yes. So does he currently have a job now? He does, but he wishes to advance. Ooh, it's hot. No. And where his job is at now, they're not really giving him an opportunity to do that. Everybody be penny pinching, y'all. Penny pinching. So he has been applying for going on maybe over a year. And he's gotten a few interviews. But the job market has been very tough. And in his field, there have been a lot of layoffs. So not only is he competing recent graduates, which he's been a graduate for a while now, y'all. He's been a recent graduate for a while now. And let me say, his resume is impressive. But it's not because I'm his wife, because I am his wife. But my he knows what he does. So it doesn't help that his field is very competitive. And I've been listening to him. And I've been listening to him. On what his concerns are of what he noticed about those employers who are looking to hire new employees. That they don't know what they're looking for. Is what he's one reason he's noticed that they don't really know what they're looking for. They would describe the job, but they'd use all these keywords, these popular words, these targeted words, to which that the company themselves don't know what that fully means and what that entails. That's just one. Two, he's learned that some companies don't really be looking for employees. They just post a job and to see how many bites they get, but don't hire anyone. More like a polling test, like how many recruits or how many applications or can we get in for this position? How in demand is this position? Y'all. It's crazy. And on LinkedIn, you can see people posting that, oh, hey, I graduated this date. They have actual analytics that I graduated this date, applied to this many positions, heard back from this many positions, got an interview with this many positions. I can talk, y'all, and then got offered. I'm talking. I think it was a woman who posted these statistics about how long it took her to get a job. Like, she applied to over 2,000 2,000 applications, which it ranged, I think it was over like last like maybe 4 months. It was like 30 applications a day. Her back from 73, and only got a call back from 73, then an interview from like maybe half that, and then she only got a job offer of 4. Only 4 of those companies of 2,000, or of the 73 that called her back. Y'all, it's a full-time job, y'all. Because if my husband were to do that, just put him in that position, his area or his section of work requires a lot of technical assessments, to which an application can take you 2 hours to do. Mind you, he's a husband, he's a person, and he's a father. What a time at, y'all. What a time at. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. A little mommy duty really quick. So, where was I? So yeah, my husband would have to sacrifice a lot, really. And it's kind of very hard to do. So, anybody who's applying to jobs right now, good luck, Godspeed, because in this market, you gotta work. Ooh, yo, let me just get up close to how this look dressed up, okay? It don't look too appealing actually, but can y'all see? Y'all, so good. Ooh. That's one topic I want to talk about. Another one is persevering. Living life and try and pursue your personal dreams requires some perseverance, y'all. Some resilience and some determination, all those. Because I've hated the times when I had to stop YouTubing or posting videos because life got in the way. Or feeling like I had to stop. Because no one said it wasn't possible to do both. But it just felt, it felt that way. But something in me is kicking, y'all. It's kicking. It's like, oh, boo, you gonna do it. You doing it. And you doing it. So, yo, I've been cranking out these videos, y'all. Have my numbers been stellar? No. But I'm just doing, I've always been doing it for me. I've been doing it for me. And if I get, you know, some subscribers or some comments, some views, that's great. I'm doing this for a goal for myself. I just love YouTube, y'all. Why is it so good? Well, not all of it, y'all. Not all content on YouTube is good. For real, for real. Not all of it. But for the most part, you can find a lot of joyous things on YouTube. Comment below if y'all follow any of these YouTubers. Like IAG Farms. Yo. When I heard it, when I found them randomly, subscribed. It's a family living debt free in their own property. I want to say, is it Mississippi? Ain't gonna hold y'all. Mississippi, Alabama. Them states scare me, baby. They scare me. It's just the history, y'all. I mean, I don't know enough of Mississippi to be scared, but it's the stories, y'all. The history, y'all. Y'all. First of all, I'm good at chopsticks, y'all. I'm good at using chopsticks. It's just that the angle. But, sorry, y'all. It's a harder piece. I don't know what that was. Sorry. Oh, we have a little Coke break. Coke break. Excuse me. Oh, yes. And you hit the spot like you always do. Y'all. And this is the most refreshing meal to have at night or in the evening and light. Y'all, okay, I got 7 rolls here. Well, I'm clearly crushing it. It's literally like what, 30 calories a roll for the paper wise, and then the meat is like, y'all can't, it's so low, y'all. If you want a tutorial on how to make this, let me know and I'll get my husband to do it and I'll film it. So let me know. Because I was eating these religiously. My weight loss journey, religiously. No guilt. And it's so much cheaper, y'all, than buying a sushi roll at the grocery store. Now, am I saying I won't buy my sushi at the grocery store, especially if my husband don't feel like making it? Yeah. Yeah. I am making, I will get it from the grocery store. But, I can't have as much. So like 1 roll at a grocery store with rice is like 3 something. I get the California rolls, 3 something. Okay. I'm gonna have a salad with that or something like that. But these, I gotta have 7 of these, y'all. Excuse me for the burp, y'all. Excuse me. Look, my thumbnail title and all that, it warned y'all. Belching and smacking and chewing, y'all. Excuse me. So yeah, my presence on YouTube, I'm happy with it right now. I am going to keep it up. I'm going to keep it up. I will. Because that's what I want to do. And closed mouths don't get fed. Look at me quoting sayings from I don't know where. Look. Let me arrange it. Y'all can't see the ones back here. I'm almost done, y'all. Y'all, my battery on my actual camera got exhausted, so where's the camera? Here, y'all. So yeah, this was left, y'all. Let's hurry up and eat this before I was talking too much. That's what it was, y'all. My battery exhausted. What does that even mean? What did he mean? No idea. But like I said, I'm back on YouTube. Y'all like having a family, working full time. Y'all, it's so not easy, but you gotta do it. I see Braid in the background. Who? Wasabi. This is up close now. The lighting isn't all that great, y'all. But this was like a whim kind of mukbang. I was like, oh, I ain't doing it so long. It's so good. I'm gonna try to get through all 7, y'all. Oh. Yeah, no mess yet. It's such clean eating, y'all. It's so clean to eat. So, y'all, let me know if you want a tutorial so my husband can make it. He ain't even see the wasabi anymore. Y'all, I say I'm rusty on this mukbang stuff. I'm rusty. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Let me know if y'all want to even see me do more mukbangs. If y'all want to see me do it monthly, that's what I mean. Okay, y'all? Monthly. The sun is going down. It's 7:03. I'm smacking it because it's so good. This is a piece of imitation crab meat. To which I can just eat by itself, y'all. So what's been going on with y'all? I know it took me the whole video to ask y'all that question. Rude. Tell me. But how y'all doing? What's going on? Hopefully y'all enjoy this mukbang. I should put healthy in the caption. Healthy mukbang. This is definitely one. And I'm gonna make sure that all my mukbangs that I do monthly are like calorie conscious. Why is it so good? Why? Why you gotta do me like that? Yo, and this container, I don't want to incriminate myself. Never mind. So good. Who is that, y'all? She is so hilarious to me. Her cook is so good. Excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Y'all, that's good. Y'all, I'm getting full. Look, I'm getting full towards the end. As how it should be. That cream cheese. I know my channel used to be a lot of mukbangs before. And yeah, I low-key miss that, y'all, but it's just not feasible. I know my limitations, y'all. I can't speak. Look, y'all, I'm scraping with this ginger. Aren't I scraping right now? I'm scraping with it. Y'all, I say I'm full, but once I stand up, it's a whole different story. I'm gonna grab a few more pieces of ginger from the side here. It's my ginger jar on the side. Look, this will kill anything that's got bacteria. This ginger, I don't know, but I think ginger has healing properties. I think. Ooh, ooh, y'all. Okay, y'all see? Look at that glisten, y'all. Ooh. Yeah, we almost done. It's the last one. That's the issue with these. I blink and they gone. I blink and they gone. Y'all. Let's commence with this last bite. Look, y'all. Get up in here. Ooh, hold on. Get up in here. Yes, yes. You'll hear my son in the background. We've done. And thank you for this meal. Babe, I love you. He ain't here right now. He had to go out. But, y'all, I'm trying to scrape up this ginger. All right. Well, that's the end of this mukbang, y'all. I really enjoyed y'all company. I hope y'all enjoyed mine. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.